Hi yogis. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to practice Birds of Paradise pose. So if you've ever been in a class and you're in extended side angle, people are lifting their leg, you're not quite sure how to get there, this is going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's start at the top of the mat. We'll take one sun salutation just for a little warm up. So bring your big toes to touch. And bring your palms to the heart center as you find mountain pose, rolling the shoulders back and away from the ears, pulling the belly into the spine. And then we'll close the eyes and take a big breath together. So close your eyes, take a big deep inhale, fill up your belly, your ribs, and your chest. Hold the breath for 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to exhale it out through the nose as you bring the belly to the spine. It sounds like this. And then blink open your eyes. Reach your arms up overhead. And exhale to forward fold, all the way down. Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen. And as you exhale, step back to plank pose. So find your plank position. Belly is super engaged, top of the head points forward, feet are about hip width apart, glutes are engaged, pulling up on the knees and the quads. So really whole body is really squeezing in, engaging, and then shift forward, bend your elbows halfway to come to chaturanga or all the way to the belly. Come onto the tops of the toes, find a back bend here, so either cobra or upward facing dog. Bring your chin to your chest, belly to the spine, and lift the hips back and up for downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Feet are about hips width apart. Really press your belly towards your thighs. Let your head and neck be neutral. Maybe take a couple of bends of the knees to walk out your breath. And then step the big toes to touch. Lift your right leg high. And take your right foot in between the hands. We're gonna spin the back foot so it's parallel. And then before you come up, I want you to line up the front heel with the back arch. So front heel with back arch. And then we cartwheel open right into warrior two pose. So the right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Knee over ankle. Back leg is straight, arms reach out. And then just flip your palms so they face up and squeeze the shoulder blades together on the back. Keep that squeeze and then turn the fingers to face down. Flip your front palm, reach forward, and then bring that right bicep over the ear, reach back for reverse warrior pose. Keep bending into the right knee. Exhale, open, warrior two, right into extended side angle. So right forearm will come to the right thigh. And the left arm reaches up to the sky. The tailbone tucks underneath, gazing up towards the left palm. Now, we're gonna bind that left arm behind the back, and then take the right arm down to the floor at first, and then take the right arm and bind it underneath your right thigh. Then your right fingertips will grab for your left fingertips and you clasp. And you're in your extended side angle bound. From here, look up towards your right toes and step the left toes all the way up to the top of the mat to meet the right toes. Lift your right heel and root down into the left foot. Hands stay bound, core is engaged. Start to lift the right leg up with you. Once you find your balance, core is engaged, start to straighten out the right leg. Woo! Straighten out the right leg, maybe gaze over the left shoulder. Come back to the center, rebend the right knee. Place the right foot down right next to the left. Unbind the hands, and then step the left foot all the way back and come back up to your warrior two pose. From here, look down at your right foot, cartwheel your hands to frame the front foot, pivot the back toes, and step the left foot up to the top of the mat to meet the right. Inhale to your flat back. Exhale, fold it forward. Heel toe the feet together. Bring your palms to the heart center. Chin to chest, root down, and rise up one vertebrae at a time. Head and neck will come up last. Coming back to mountain pose, just where we started. Shoulders roll back, palms face forward. Tadasana, mountain pose. And there you have birds of paradise. Namaste.